Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom made stickers to your WhatsApp. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, open the WhatsApp application and open any chat. Now here, you can tap on this sticker icon, and as you can see, there are a lot of stickers you can use as well. Or if you tap on this plus icon in the bottom right corner, you can import other stickers as well, or you can discover the sticker apps. Now if you want to create your stickers from your pictures, you have to tap on this create, select your photo here, and as you can see, it's made the sticker from your picture. You can tap on this send button, and as you can see, it send your picture sticker. You can tap on it, and you can tap on this add to your favorite, and it will already saved here now. So that's how you can add stickers of your pictures in WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.